world powered by reactions, where atoms collide and empires rise from acid. One acid rules them all. Boom! From explosives to fertilizers to cleaning your nasty bathroom sink, sulfuric acid is everywhere. But how is it made? Introducing the contact process, the ultimate chemical transformation from stinky yellow sulfur to a multi-billion-dollar acid. This isn't just chemistry, this is legendary science. Welcome to the contact process. Let's go, Gen Z chemists. Let's go. The contact process turns boring sulfur into royal sulfuric acid in just 4 simple moves. Just imagine. We have to do only 4 simple steps.
Wow.
Let's just finish it up. First step is sulfur to sulfur dioxide, then sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide, then sulfur trioxide to oleum, and the fourth step, oleum to sulfuric acid. Let's break down each of the 4 steps. Step 1. Burn it. You have to burn sulfur in air to form sulfur dioxide. This gas stings worse than the spoiled eggs, but it's essential. Acha, tell me, why did SO2 get kicked out of the party? Because it brought bad vibes, and by vibes I mean acid rain. Now it's time for the main reaction. The sulfur dioxide, which was formed in the previous step when we burn the stinking sulfur in air, that sulfur dioxide we have to mix it with oxygen and it forms sulfur trioxide. Lots of heat energy is released. Oh God, you can see here also there is a reversible drama. Remember that? Remember that the Haber's process where I have taught you the reversible drama? Here also comes the reversible drama. So, how to fix it? Here comes the Lee Chatterley's principles. His ideas solved the problem of the reversible drama, and now the final conditions to overcome the drama created by reversibility. Temperature should be 450 degrees centigrade, pressure should be 1 to 2 atmosphere, and catalyst is, the VIP is vanadium pentoxide. Here, this vanadium pentoxide is the hero. It provides surface area for sulfur dioxide and oxygen to react and forms sulfur trioxide. Vanadium pentoxide makes the reactions go fast. So, can we add water to sulfur trioxide to form sulfuric acid? No!
Nope.
Don't just add sulfur trioxide to water.
Oh no!
I repeat, don't. It reacts violently. sulfur trioxide and water had a messy breakup. Chemistry was fired, but the drama too much. Instead, we do this safely. SO3 is added to sulfuric acid. Yeah, we have to add sulfuric acid to form oleum, whose formula is H2S2O7. Then it is diluted by adding water to get sulfuric acid. Acid upgrade completed. Boom! You have made sulfuric acid, all thanks to contact process. Now the final recap. First step, burn sulfur to get sulfur dioxide, oxidize sulfur to get sulfur trioxide, absorb sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid only to get oleum. Formula of oleum H2S2O7, and then just add water and you will get sulfuric acid. Now master this table equal to chemistry flex. Take a screenshot. Everything is written here, the reaction, the steps, the reactions, the temperature, the pressure, the catalyst. See here, no catalyst, only in the second step we have to give the catalyst. Now, if you learned something or just vibed with the memes, then like, subscribe and share with your science gang. Until next time, stay reactive, stay curious and stay awesome. Bye bye my students.